Okay, everybody, so here is our meal for the evening. This is what we're having for dinner. I actually didn't eat anything else since this morning. I don't know. I still kind of feeling a little poorly, but anyway, I almost forgot to film this, so ignore around my bowl. I think that's poor presentation, but I apologize. But we are having the rest of the enchiladas, the filling for the enchiladas that we made last night, and we're just having this as a soup. So this is really just chicken tenders. There is some salsa, cream cheese, and diced tomatoes in here. And then we did make some of the Southern Keto cornbread. So this is what we are having for dinner, and we will see you guys in the morning. Alright, you guys, so here is the Nashville hot chicken. We just used a pork rind coating. We put a little bit of almond flour in it. We fried it in bacon grease, and then when we got done with frying it in bacon grease, we added in the brown sugar, cayenne pepper, and butter to the grease, and that's what it turned out to look like. We're just keeping it in our crock pot to keep it warm, and I will show you what the sausage dip looks like. So here is the sausage dip. It has the mushrooms, it has the onions and sausage in there with 2 packages of cream cheese, and we're again going to use those pork rinds as dippers. I'm going to use a paper towel just to skim some of that grease off of there before we leave, but I think it just helps keep everything nice and moist. So that is what we're taking for the worship and brunch today, and we'll see you guys for dinner with what we're having for dinner. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So here is tonight's dinner. We're having dinner with our friend, and I always forget to film on Monday night, so I was trying to remember. We are having Mississippi roast and mashed cauliflower with a little bit of cheese. We used the Craveable Keto Cookbook's recipe. A little bit of broccoli sauteed in some butter and garlic, and then a couple of pieces of bacon. We do have cornbread, but this is what is for dinner. Okay, everybody, so here's what's for dinner. Tonight we're having fathead dough pizza. It got a little bit dunner than we would like, but it's still gonna be yummy. So fathead dough pizza for dinner. See you tomorrow. Alright, everybody, so here is what's for dinner. We are having chili, and in the chili we are having some pork rinds and some cheddar cheese on top. So that is a chili. And then we're also having a chicken thigh. This is an Asiago cheese chicken thigh. Just found these in the grocery store. They were already seasoned, and I just made a kind of like a cream sauce to sit them in so that they would continue to cook. I just pan seared them in a little bit of avocado oil and some butter, and then just made a little cream sauce. So this is what we are having for tonight's dinner: chili and chicken thigh. Alrighty, you guys, so we made a little bit of dessert, or Alana made a little bit of dessert. This is from the Southern Keto Cookbook. It is the strawberry shortcake, and we added in a few chocolate chips, but that is what it looks like, one of the strawberry shortcakes, and we're going to enjoy this.